Hey, Austin here. In this video, I want to talk to you about Bitcoin, and I want to talk to you about the fact that whales are buying Bitcoin. This is an interesting fact. Here's what this means. If whales are buying Bitcoin, why are they buying it? I've got proof they're buying it, by the way. I'm going to show you a piece of content here in a minute that's going to basically illustrate exactly the ABCs of what I'm talking about, because this brings up a very interesting situation. Right here, right now, by the way, this video is for entertainment purposes only. We are looking at really a flat market with Bitcoin and Ethereum has just started to kind of wake up a little bit in the last couple of days, and basically in the last 12 hours or so, give or take. And so why would whales be buying now? Well, we're going to get into that. We're going to talk about it, and we're going to talk about what it means. We're going to talk about it and wrap it in the context of the overall market and what it really means to the entire altcoin market. And the impact. This is good. Okay, so hopefully you'll stick with me and this is of interest to you. What do you think? Drop in the comments below. Are you excited? Do you like that whales are buying? You should be, by the way. Drop in the comments and let me know your thoughts. As always, need to make you aware, I've got my Patreon group, links in the description below. If you want my help, you want my support, you want me to look at your portfolio and give you some guidance, I would love to do that. You can join and cancel at any time. And at $20, I've tried to keep it as cheap as possible because actually, period, end of story, I want to help. I want to help those that need help, feel like you're alone in this journey. You want to be part of a community. I've got a Discord community wrapped around it as well. Then I would love to see you join, and I guarantee you'll get some value out of it. Okay, so with that said, check it out. Links are in the description below. Okay, so Bitcoin right here, right now has been consolidating. It's been consolidating now for a while. It's been kind of trading in this 46 to about, right now it's up a little bit to $47,000, $48,000 range. Okay, therein lies the heart of our story. Okay, so here we go. So while broader crypto market has held its collective breath, which I think is a kind of a really good feeling of putting words to kind of how we have all felt. It's like, come on, let's get this thing going, right? Whales have been loading up on Bitcoin. Listen to this. Watch this. This is an amazing piece of content. Okay, so let me show you this. Hold on just a minute. I didn't highlight this because I wanted to show you this. Whales are on the move with their Bitcoin investments. Okay, so whales have been known to move large amount of crypto across wallets. Okay, happens both in times of bull and bear markets. But one thing metrics have shown recently is that whales are using the current price crashes as a buying opportunity. We all know that the flash crash we had about 7 to 10 days ago, whatever it was, I've lost track of time, was absolutely a manipulation event, okay? But regardless of that, movements from Bitcoin wallets holding around 100 to 10,000 Bitcoins, otherwise known as whales, show that these investors are completely unfazed by current market trends. What does that tell you? They're not worried about it. They're loading up on Bitcoin to get ready for, drum roll please, right? Got the drum roll, there he goes. To get ready for this parabolic run that we've got coming in the fourth quarter. There's the heart of the story, okay? Now, data shows that wallets with at least 100 to 10,000 BTC have been increasing their holdings in the last couple of days. Listen to this. These whales have now accumulated over $2.9 billion worth of Bitcoin since the week began. I'm just going to pause for dramatic effect. That's pretty damn cool, right? These Bitcoin wallets that have between 100 and 10,000 Bitcoins in them have accumulated $2.9 billion worth of Bitcoin since the week began. Following the price crash that happened on September 7th, that was the flash crash, the market entered into a period of low momentum. Price remained around the $45,000 to $47,000 range, with not much in the way of movements either way, presenting a perfect opportunity for big-time investors to fill up their bags with Bitcoin. Another interesting metric is the spending rate of the whale wallets. On-chain analysis shows that these wallets are not doing much in the way of spending their Bitcoin. Rather, the assets held in the wallets have remained in their position, usually only moving in what looks like to be the investors or entities moving their coins to their personal wallets. In short, whales are accumulating and they do not plan to sell anytime soon. Okay, so let's wrap up this conversation with a very simple analogy, right? Number one, we have proof now, per that piece of content, that whales are loading up on Bitcoin, $2.9 billion worth. Whales are snapping up Bitcoin. Why are they doing that? They know that the price will go up. They are not phased. They're unfazed, if you will, by the current market conditions. This is the smart money, okay? This is the money that knows that Bitcoin's going to go up. Bitcoin's going to go up to 50,000 first as its first kind of next support level, resistance level, and then it's going to roll from there. 100,000 is on the way. 100,000 is being talked about pretty straightforward by the end of this year, which is double of what Bitcoin is. Let's wrap this in the whole altcoin market. I've said this a million times. When Bitcoin goes up, the rest of the market goes up along with it. Period. All of the major altcoins, anything that's basically in the top 100, 200 will roll with it as well, outside of their own catalysts, right? So, you've got Solana, you got Phantom, you got, Ethereum, Cardano, all these, and Polkadot, all these other major ones, they are going to roll along with it. That's what I really want you to hear me saying. Even if you don't own a bit of Bitcoin, you need to be looking at Bitcoin and understanding how all this is playing out. This is a big, big deal, and this is good news. All right, with that said, I just wanted to bring this to you, a real quick video. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Please drop a like. That would help me out. I'd greatly appreciate it. And if you haven't already done so, subscribe to the channel. Love to have you a subscriber. I'll see you later. Take it easy. Bye.